Michelle Cunningham coming at you with your fabulous Friday message. I have a fast yet powerful message for you today. I wanted to share with you the power of December and January. Some people have this thought that, oh no, December's here. Everyone's so busy. I have never had that thought. I think December is your opportunity to completely blow your business out of the water. I think the same is true of January. And so what I find and what I am so successful about, I have a party tonight at 6 o'clock and I've got 7 people coming. I have a party tonight at 8 o'clock and I've got 18 people coming. I'd have several consultants help me with that party. Tomorrow I have a 10 o'clock party, a 12 o'clock party, a 2 o'clock party, a 4 o'clock party, and a 6 o'clock party. And so when people say to me, it slows down in December, I'm like, no, your brain slowed down in December. You started to believe that there was people that were not going to show up. Women are looking for exciting things to do in December. They're looking for a chance to do some fun things for themselves because, right, women are doing everything in December, right? They have to do it for everyone else. So we offer this opportunity, this experience for them to get away from their life for a little bit and to sit down and relax and have fun and have girlfriend time. And so I have a really great script that I will share on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is facebook.com/Michelle Cunningham's Dream Makers Unit. So I'll say it again. Michelle is Michelle. Cunningham's is Cunningham's Dream Makers with an S Unit. And that's right on Facebook. But I'll share my magic script. And I don't have it right in front of me, so I might say it a little bit wrong. But it's something along the lines of, hey, Jessica, I'm putting together a holiday portfolio of makeup looks and wondered if you'd want to be featured in it. You basically get a free makeover, and I can send you more details. Would you be interested? That's it. Send that to everyone you know. Send it to everyone. And when they say, yeah, when are you doing this? I got an opening this Friday at 6 p.m. It could be Thursday. I got an opening tomorrow at 6 p.m. or I've got one Saturday at noon. Would either of those work for you? If not, we can look into the next week. And people just like that, oh, you know what? Actually, tomorrow I don't really have anything going on. I got to get some Christmas shopping done, but, I could do that. And so it gives you an opportunity to get in front of these people. And, they're super excited. I also have people that are like, you know what? I had someone say to me, I'm not going to join right now just because I want to wait till the new year to join. I was like, yeah, no, that's totally cool. I was like, December is one of our best months just because of, the holiday and stuff. So if you do join before that, you'd get to pick up on that. But if you want to wait till January, it's totally cool. That's all I said. I'm dropping seeds. Just planting the seed, not saying, think you should change your mind, believe this would be good. I don't say any of that. Just very passively I dropped that little line. And that lady messaged me 2 days later and said, hey, you know what? I'm actually thinking I'm going to sign up, sooner than January. I think, So just those little things that you say. But the problem is sometimes people try to convince people, and they don't want to be convinced. So I think you just educate. You just say a little line like that, and it can change someone's thinking. And so that is what I'm doing for January. December and January. My busiest time is from December 25th to January 1st because every single person is off of work and off of break and off of school and off of college, and they're looking for something to do. And right now you can start lining that up. You can start lining that up. If someone says to you, I'm too busy, all right, do you have any free time between December 25th and January 1st? Because I do have some openings then. And you start booking that up. Book those days up. Get model makeovers, get facials, get pajama parties, get whatever you want to book. But you can put those people in there. And I get so slammed between those 5 days. It's crazy because people have Christmas money. They want to get together. It's crazy. And then in January, you can do January new year, new you makeovers. And people will come out for that. So the people are like, you know what, no, I can't do December because I'm so busy. Could you do between December 25th and January 1st? Because I got opening. No, we're going to be traveling. Okay, well, I'm doing New Year, New You makeovers in January. Would that be good for you? January's perfect. So you have an opportunity to book all different types of people in those 3 different scenarios. So, just start planning it now. Just start, sometimes you might not want to plan. Sometimes I'm like, I don't feel like planning, but I find that my best action, the best thing I need to do is just take action. When I begrudgingly don't want to book, right now I don't want to book, so I invited some people over today to book. That's the way to do it. You force yourself to work by having friends over. So they're at my house right now and they're booking. And I said, I'm going to record my call and then I'm coming down to book. I don't want to book right now, but I'm going to book. Right? I am just like any other human. Sometimes you just don't want to do the things you need to do to get where you want to go. But I know that the ultimate, most important thing that I can ever be doing is booking appointments. So I'm going to get off this call and I'm going to begrudgingly go book my stupid appointments But what's great about that is you end up with a scenario like me, like, I don't really want to do anything right now. I want to just sit home and like drink hot cocoa and like decorate the tree. Well, no, because I got a party tonight at 6 and at 8, and tomorrow I've got a 10, 12, 2, 4, and 6, right? Because I did the work that I didn't necessarily want to do, but it's netting me results. And so it's the most important thing. It's just get up and work, even when you don't feel like it. I get it. We're all human. There's days you just don't feel like working. But remember why you're doing this. Remember who it's for, whose life is this going to impact. And if that sentence alone doesn't make you cry, like who you're doing this for and what it's going to do for your life, then you need to rewrite your vision statement. You need to take a strong look at why you're doing this. Because when you have a vision statement that is so powerful, it will move you into action. It will make your heart say, you know what, dude, I'm going to stop being like, not, I don't want to say the word lazy, but I'm going to stop being like complacent right now. I'm just going to get to work. I'm going to do the things I don't want to do to get where I want to go. So that's what I wanted to share today. My simple strategy for December and January for you to totally crush it. And if you're like, I don't have any leads, then dude, go do some lead jars right now. You can buy some Santa baskets, put a sign on them, put Santa baskets all over town. People can enter to win a glamour makeover. Huh, amazing. Holiday glamour makeover. Anyway, this is Michelle Cunningham, Executive Senior Pink Cadillac Sales Director. I hope you have a fabulous Friday and a powerful December and January. Goodbye.